before 2023 will ends, we had a blast party. We had a full blast party. Uh, we have our party. We had a party and North Zen, and we were had a party in the edge of their place, which is the Serenity area. So we have the Hawaiian team. So most of the girls wearing a flowery print, look like that, and then we had a lot of fun over there. And look at this, we have a lot of parlor games like that, and so on and so forth. Even though our MC makes our party very enjoyable one because she she did it well. She did it well, and then that was Mio jumping over my flowery dress actually, and this is it now. It's obvious that we are the winner. We were the winner at that moment. So thank you for the camaraderie that we have. So I think we have also what can I call that? We had also a photo photo time together with the boys also, and we're gonna have to we have also a dance number, and it was coordinated with the ice, which is one of our friends, also one of our friends in the BCBP. So that's all for that moment. When we were dancing, we just stay on the our place where we just stay in our place like that. And the girls are always have the good performance level when we are dancing, something like that. And then I had a lot of fun that night because it released stress, and it was really a night to remembered because we were all participated in all the activity, even though we have no program made, but it's in pronto program, something like that. So we were so happy, even though that my husband were not around. My husband was not around the time because my husband is called on duty, so that's it, no. So ayan ako, tingnan nyo, oh. So, napaka ano namin, Tagalogin ko na naman ha. So, look at this camera. This is the camera of my friend. I don't know what's the name of this camera. Parang 360 nakuha lahat ng area. So, I just, ano, of course, masaya ang gabing yon. Even though we're not, hindi kami lahat naka-attend. Kasi yung iba may mga reasons na, iba't ibang rason na hindi sila maka-attend dahil may importanteng mga lakad. So, ayan po kami. So, di ba, ang saya-saya namin ng gabing yon. Kami kasi, yung grupo na choir kasi kami dito sa lugar namin, we uh, we did the dawn masses. What was started in 16 and it's 24 of December. So every year we had party talaga naman. Mayroon kaming party talaga for this group. Kaya yun ang aming pinagagawa. Every year may iba't ibang mga team kami. Last year, when the COVID is hindi na masyado, uh, ang aming team is Emily in Paris. So that's Emily in Paris yung aming team ng last year. So ayan po ang nangyari, oh. Napakaganda talaga, oh. Super saya talaga. And then, salamat po sa ni Sis Jan na nag-lead ng sayaw. Tapos yan siya ang nasa harap namin. Tapos yung sinayaw namin yan is Pearly Shells. Midlina Pearly Shell. Yung isa kasi, nakaupo lang isang babae kasi kararating lang niya, na late sila. Kasi nga po, may importante din silang pinagagawa before ah dyan. So, ayan. Ayan na horizontal na yung camera. Pasensya na po. At least, ah yan po ang aming ganap ng gabing yun. But before that ganap, no, kasi dumating ako sa area around 4 o'clock. Doon ako sa dulo ng Serenity kasi yung sunset talaga, marami nagpupunta doon ng mga foreigners. Kasi yung sunset diyan sa dulo niya ng ano na yan, maganda talaga pag gabi. Kaya pag 4 o'clock, kaya ang daming tao. Ah, Happy to say na kaming nauna ng asawa ko at saka isang foreigner na couple. Di nakapag ano kami ng maayos sa upuan, nagpa-picture kaming dalawa ng asawa ko. Kaya yun, first early bird kasi kaming dumating kasi nga gusto ko makuha yung sunset ng North Zen. Ito yung pinaka-peak nila dito eh. Kaya yun, ang ano namin dyan, nakatindig kami, nakatayo kami kasi kakanta kami ng Kasadya Bisaya song. It's a community song na kaming lahat talaga ang kakanta. Of course, community song. Ayan, obvious naman, ang saya-saya namin, no? Actually, if we were all there, siguro mga ano kami, mga 50 plus kami. But seems that there was a lot who not attended the party, but good, it's still the night is very napaka-happy ng night na yan. Ayan po ang ganap, no? So, maraming salamat sa aking grupo, sa itong mga grupo sa BCBP North Chapter. Ang galing talaga. Napakasaya ng araw na yun. Tapos, sabi ko, we were those, naman, napakasaya naman talaga. But, ako, kahit wala akong asawa dyan, kasi may trabaho, pinipilit kong maging masaya. Kasi hindi pwede namang lahat ng oras nandyan yung asawa ko. Kasi nga, he is a salaryman, so busy siya, lalo na engineer siya, electrical engineer. So, siya yung nagpailaw sa amin. Of course, siya yung nagkontrol sa ilaw, char. Oo nga talaga. Kaya nga ganon, ang mga staff ng North Gen, sila lang kumuha ng video sa amin para maging masaya. At ito naman yung namin, yung taga-turo ng aming mga kanta sa church, lalo na kasi we are serving the community just to give them the nice music, especially sa choir, kasi choir ako. Yan po ang ganap ng aking 2023 last December, kailan ba yan? 26 yung party namin. It's 28 pala. No, it's 30. Sorry. It's 30 kasi pag ginanap namin yun sa Pasko, ang daming-daming party-party. Ayun, parang lampas na sa Pasko. Parang hindi na masyadong maraming schedule yung mga kasamahan namin. So, iyan po ang aming tingnan mo yung aming photographer mga North Zen, mga employee, staff doon sa kanilang malaking, alam mo yung building na yan, yung na yan, pinaglilibutan niya ng dagat. Kaya dyan kami, sa dulo talaga. Dagat yan, saka sa ilalim. Tapos yung nila, rusty color lahat. Tapos, sa ilalim dyan is dagat din. So, di na-imagine nyo na, ma-imagine nyo na mga ka-follower na kagwapa na talaga ang itsura dito sa aming venue, di ba? So, ang ganda tingnan. Ayan, yan. Yung mga ilaw kasi dyan, kasi sa dulong yan, ito, yon ang namin, ganap nandito pa yung asawa ko nang dumating kami ng maaga. So, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng aking video. Sana po ay masaya kayo. Uh, Happy New Year to each and everyone. And I hope you guys are happy also. And of course, we are so happy with this moment. With this moment, kasi ang saya kahit man lang sa before to it is masaya tayong lahat. Bye!